Well, it's Monday, October 20th, and Dad is in the coffee room with his buddy, and little Nina Pinta Santa Maria is following me around here. But, as you can see, Dad's been vacuuming, and that's all done. He didn't let me know if he's done or not, but it looks all done, and he's got everything labeled on there. So he might be done this machine. Now the other thing is I just got off the phone an hour ago with the window guy. So these windows are done. They're paid for. Those are the windows that we did send down. Not every one of them, but the ones we did send down. And those are done. And I just got to get the gasket. And by the gasket, I mean that rubber that goes around the window. And that's coming through the States, so I might have to get that priority courier to the window guy. So we're gonna have to do a deal here. Either he sends it on Gardwine, which is a trucking company outfit in Manitoba, or priority courier or somehow, so we can get this done and out of the shop. But this looks like it's the final little bit. So again, 1974 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor in its final stages here. And if Dad was vacuuming and I just picked up a bunch of crap off the floor, old wiring and stuff, this means it's likely done. So we're going to have to do the windows, which are done and paid for. Just got to get here, get the gasket, put everything back together, and then that'll be that. So we're going to talk with Dad here first, but I might tack this on another video. Oh, Friday, October 24th, and it's my birthday, and I'm 53 years old. Dad's 83. So a couple day break here. Dad found some gasket that he's just put into place to see if it all fits. And but we got the windows, they're already done. We got new gasket that's coming in from down south. We have to hire in from, or not hire, buy from. So he just wanted to see if he had enough there. I think he's just shy of what he needs, but that new gasket is coming in. One of the things he did do today is start going through his old parts for his machine over here, and he started to work on just trying to clean up some of the stuff here, and did a little grinding, he said. So he's got the grinding pail set up over here, and I think that one might have been, no, that's one of the seat covers or seats. So he started doing some stuff here, and because as soon as this machine is done, we got to start working on that machine, get it out the door. It's my understanding that we might have two Bombardiers coming in, one for minor work and then one for semi-major overhaul. So hopefully we can get this one done here in the meantime, and then Dad can work on this one with the one machine left in the shop. Hopefully it doesn't take him long. He's already started cleaning up the stuff that was on top of there and getting it off. And he's just been spending the day here, or the last couple of days, cleaning up the shop. We got a bunch of new parts that came in that my brother-in-law brought in. It was a salesman that he got a bunch of stuff on. So like stuff like this, like we might use it, might not use it, I don't know. Got it all for free though, but Dad cleaned up this table, and then he hauled up a bunch of stuff onto the mezzanine, bolts and stuff like that. But he got a couple boxes of stuff that was given to him, and he had to spend, this box was completely full. He had to spend the last couple days just putting stuff away. Still kind of messy here, but it's organized in a Dad way. And I noticed he's been filling up some of his old oil jugs for the furnace. Furnace is already being used. We got to load up this tomorrow with wood for the winter. It'll last, like once it's full up to about here, it only lasts a week. And he did some other organization around the shop here, but he's got a lot more cleanup to do. And but once we start working on the other Muskeg Tractor, we can get this motor and transmission off this table so which will open up a bunch of free spots. And then this stuff, it's just a matter of cleaning it up, painting it, grinding it down, doing whatever, and then it's going to go on to that Muskeg tractor. This is some more of the stuff he got for free. That's protective wrap for cabling. And yeah, so dogs are outside having their treats, except for old Charles in charge here. He came in, he wanted to eat his treat inside. He's already gone through a couple of yummy bones. Hey Charles, yeah, what a good dog we got. And then the cat's around here somewhere, but yeah, exactly. And there's Dad, he's having his end of day wet. Say hi to Steve McCoy and the boys.
How do you do, Stevie?
Yeah, there's Kitty. He's pretty much full.
Done for a day.
Yeah, and that's it. Okay guys, so we'll check in the next video. 4 pecker-headed dogs having their end of day treats. Of course, our Filipino Emily, Charles in charge, Yeti the Yetters, and Mila Blondie. Everybody real happy that, you know, nearing 4 o'clock they can have their treats. And this is just the best time of day. And little Nina Pinta Santa Maria is inside the shop with her cat, and they got their treats too.